welcome back to another video. My name is Revolt, and so for today I'm gonna show you guys how I like washing my car, and I'm gonna show you guys some little tips and tricks along the way. So yeah, let's get into it. Washing my car is a 2-bucket method, and obviously with the pressure hose. And I know a lot of you guys might not have the access to a pressure hose, so that's why we're here at a self car wash. And so for some of the products I like using is this Chemical Guys soap. I haven't used this invisible glass cleaner yet, but I've seen reviews on it, so we're gonna try it out and see how it is. This McGuire's all tire cleaner. I also have the Chemical Guys, the Diablo one. I think the McGuire's one works better though. I just have some tire shines, an all-purpose interior cleaner, and a friend, I'm going to tag him down below because he does mobile detailing. Leaves it really nice. He showed me this trick, and I'm going to show you guys what it is in a second. So as you guys can see, the car is like really dirty. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. But yeah, a lot of water spots and stuff, especially with the rims too. You can see, like. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So one thing when you guys are washing your car, you guys should always start off with the rims. So this product is good, but it won't get the job done unless you have like a little, you just got to work in with it and take the, brake dust off. So we're gonna get started. And always when you do it, try to do like in a motion, like in a fan motion, how I'm doing it. Like, don't just spray it in one way, just try to get the most out of it and just spread it out. So now we're on to the next tire. Just do the same thing, just in a fan motion. So now we're on to the third tire. It's the same thing, just use the fan motion. And really try to get the product on all the spots. Wash out all the brake dust. And just like that already, just with the product and scrubbing it in, it already looks like a total different color. But we're still gonna use one more product, the one I told you about. Because at the end of all this, there's still gonna be like some little pieces that haven't gone off yet, so we'll see. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna let that fill up and then dump some of this soap in here. just dumping it in this way so all the soap and all the bubbles don't splash everywhere. So one of the main things I want to tell you guys is to never use a brush on your guys' car, just because you guys use that, then a lot of swirls and a lot of scratches, because that doesn't have like really soft brushes. So once you guys put that on your car, you know, you're gonna get some nasty scratches on it. So now what we're gonna do, obviously the soap from these soap washes aren't the best, but I'm just gonna soap up the car a little bit just so they can get a little, I guess in a way, the mitt would be swiping easier. So yeah, let's go do that. And also we're just gonna wash down any like dust or dirt that the car might have before you start brushing the car. You see that? I don't know why my car lights on. Alright, so now that the car has been pressure washed, now we're gonna put on the mat. So once you guys get done with like a panel, that's when I normally go and rinse the mid, just so all the dirt that's on it that it captured, we can get rinsed off. As you can see, we only did like half the car and it's already like totally different colors. And then when you guys are on the mat, make sure you guys are always moving it side to side. Because once you guys start going in circles, that's what's gonna cause like the swirls on your paint. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys, always try working from the top to bottom, just so you're not bringing any of the dirt from the bottom to the top, because there's more dirt on the bottom from all the like the tires and all that. Damn. Alright, so now that we passed the whole mitt through the car, now we're just gonna rinse it off. So another thing I like doing when I'm rinsing it, I like starting from the top again, just because, you know, the water's gonna flow down, so it's gonna bring down any of the excess soap and dirt. If you guys are gonna make the gun shoot like on higher pressure like this, just make sure that you are standing from a distance, just because the pressure gun can like cause any damage to your car as well. So just be careful when you're doing that as well. So now we're gonna get to the last part, or the second to last part actually, for the video. We're gonna start drying it, and I think this is like the most important part, because this is where you can like damage the car the most. And one of the towels I like using are the waffle weave ones, just because the little like indent in the towel, it makes it so that it doesn't scratch the car as much, or very little actually. And another big thing is you want to take off these little tags. It's a new towel, so you just want to take off the little, just rip them off, because that can cause like also scratches. So same thing also with everything else. I always like start from the top, just spread it out, and then just let the towel do the work. Just do like very little pressure on it, and just let the towel do the work, and you'll see it dry. And then always try flipping the towel, just because with every stripe you get, you're always gonna collect, you know, dirt and whatnot. So always try flipping it if you can. So you guys always try having different towels for different cleaning parts. So obviously, like how we use the woven weaved on just the whole car, and I have like different soft towels for the rims, and also like glass cleaner and interiors as well. So yeah, so the little trick is just pretty cheap, probably like $5, and it, like I said, it shines your tires and your rims. If you guys find your car like this, just try wiping it down really quick. Nothing's gonna happen to it. What the heck? So just let that first sit. Just let it sit for a second. Let it do its job. And I have just this foam. I don't even know what this is really called, but it's for your tires. And now we're just gonna, with our towel, we're just gonna get in there and just dry it up. So moving on to the last tire, and then we're gonna go into trying out the new glass cleaner I've never tried. Yeah, you guys, like, oh damn, this can is probably like at most $5, and you can use it up to like, I've only used it like 3 times I believe, and it feels full still. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna give the link down below of his ad, and of my friend, the one that has the mobile detailing, the one that showed me that trick. I'm gonna put his ad down below if you guys don't want to go through this whole hassle of cleaning your cars. Just hit him up and say you guys an appointment for him. All right, this is, we're gonna see where, like, how good the glass cleaner is, because there's like some watermarks from when it gets like foggy and you use the defrost. So we're gonna see how good it actually is. Yeah, I got rid of the watermark, so that's good. Just has some, you need to pass it through. You got some stripe marks. That's gonna be pretty much it for the video, you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. If you guys like how this turned out and want you to try out the products for yourself, just let me know down below. I mentioned all of the products names and I showed them, so you guys shouldn't be confused on which ones they are. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and comment down below.